Kinong tre casual hak tenat kakot kakia ak distrik Ribhoi, hak akan reu trek unai luar kilasange no ek program yaki. Kabadairu hadian manakal yang sorkar kelakular ban pendap no ek mat jeng dawa jeng kinong tre casual, kabala kubur do menteri ketenat kakot kakia ak jela. Panjupen kan mau kini kinong tre casual hak tenat kakot kakia, hapok kalama jong Ribhoi Progressive Health Casual Workers Union, kila sedang yak program yaki nedo kakat sau trek unai luar, ha civil hospital no po, da gabarak lama yong bat syatkan. Badai hadian lai sini begelap penolong ke jing yaki, badai kejing simkia UMLA ke nompo oba Meral Bonds iem, banyak keren hak dorbar senrai jogi dorbar tauan ke jela. Bau menteri ketenak kakot kakia ulo pular ban penurlong no iki mat jing dawa jogi, kata bantung kampura no iki hak ketenak kakot kakia. Kini ginong tray casual, wat hak akan reu terek unai luru, ilai lum hap deng ulap bah ubajur. Baglami benelum ha civil hospital nompo ban beteng ke jing yaki, bandawai ala kohok. Badai lengba kejing simkia UMLA kenongpo ubla keren ya kejing ya joki ha dorbar senrai. Bagila sim shwai kara shipor ban sange eki kabadai hadian bu menteri ketenak kokot kakia ulo kular ban penurlong ya kejing dawa jongki.
Now the expectation of this beloved friends, 77 numbers of this casual worker who are still on the street, that we need to observe. And the demand that they will be made regular casual worker should be heard. At the same time, through you, sir, I would like to suggest the government. Few, as I have said in the past also, the regularization of many posts, of many casual workers, of many master role, those who have been working for 10, 15, 20 years, they need to be heard. I always used to raise this issue, sir, that even in the DSC, even the MPSC, they should have been. The guideline has to be changed. The government has to think. For those employees who has been working on a temporary basis for so many years, certain percentage has to be enmarked. Like 30%, all those vacant posts to be regularized from the casual employee or the master role who have already working. And 70% it can intimate to the DSC for a regular posting through advertisement, through written tests and personal interview.
Casual employees engaged under the DMHU Ribhoi district, and out of which as many as 78 may be eligible for conferment of the status of RCW. So, sir, as I've already stated, once again I would like to reiterate that the department and also the government will take note this issue very, very seriously, not only in health department alone, but every department in the state government.
Ya kini kecil kebangi ni kecil. Batang hari ni kita keluar di tempat kita semua ulai hak kebangi layo kecil kita. Banyak kecil kecil lama hak assembly, bak assembly kalau tiang ni keban ID regularization na yang ni kita bukan kita casual worker. Jom ke health department hang ya po ke Ribhoi district. Ya kini keluar ngamla balik kendai ulai tu. Ya kini mat kita gan burung jom kini kari kusi kini kecil hantam kini mat jom kini dong Ribhoi. Bat kirbang ya iba Meral Bonds iem iba sim ya kini kini dapat dia nak kebentar jom ini casual worker hak kebangi lala ban yo ban kek yo yo sok jom kecil job bahkan yang school tu bahkan day kendai ke day kata kecil ke bangla ke jom play keba ulale nak kebentar jom ini kinong tray casual
kat sampai kalau pedang ya kecil terpat ni nak lihat apa sukar tegi kuat nak lihat di casual halar bangi lai snow yang ke subor ke bawah nak lihat tu ngir ki haban yai yang sakmat nak kebentar cing yang bagai cing dia terli tu kadai belong di yai terli barabor cing ni terli barabor terpoi sak tahu job te kantor ni bantan tahu naik por re kerpang ngai tu play yai di MLA dan burom cing Meral Bonds iem bar kerja nak lihat cong i helm minister cing i ba persen tersong i belong ri helm minister i bala pedang bar i bala pengu bar ila sim yang kata cing bangi ya kendu